Main focus of this presentation is on AI agents and revolutionizing AI development and problem-solving approaches. Andrew Ng is a professor at Stanford. He is the owner of Coursera and DeepLearning.ai. He has contributed so much in the AI world. So he talks about non-agentic workflows and agentic workflows. The non-agentic workflow involves a straightforward prompt to an LLM which generates a single response. It lacks iteration and refinement. So humans have to take the response, check if there is something wrong in it, and give back to LLM to fix it. So it's time-consuming and very iterative process. While in the agentic workflow, it's more iterative and interactive. It resembles human problem-solving processes involving multiple iterations of generating, evaluating, and defining outputs. So we have a base large language model which generates the solution to our problem, and there is an agent for that's based on the same LLM. So there are two LLMs working together. So it then goes on to talk about the effectiveness of agentic workflow. It says that the agentic workflow produces superior results, especially in complex tasks such as coding, iterative refinement. Agentic workflow produces superior results, especially in complex tasks such as coding. Iterative refinement leads to better outcomes compared to one-shot prompts. He then discusses 4 design patterns for AI agents, like deflection, which involves LLM to reflect on and improve on its own output, leading to iterative refinement. The second thing he discussed was expanding the capabilities of large language model systems to perform a wide range of tasks beyond language processing, such as image manipulation and analysis. And then discusses that leveraging planning algorithms to enable AI agents to achieve specific goals, such as generating complex outputs like images or codes. And discusses the multi-agent collaboration, utilizing multiple AI agents to collaborate towards a common objective, with each agent performing specialized tasks. It's like we have a Minecraft game in which we place 4 agents and give them a task to build a house. The 4 agents will divide the work, and they will do the certain work, and they will also collaborate each other to how to do their task. And once they complete their task, for example, if one agent completes his task, he will go on to help the other agents, and in this way they will collaborate with each other and complete that house building in a Minecraft. But there is a little dark side to it. That is, the Wesroth made a YouTube video on this. That he says that research was done that when the agents failed to get the wood for that house, they went on to nearby village. They attacked it and gathered the wood from there to complete their own tasks. So this have that little dark side on side. It then on discusses the examples of applications of AI agents across various domains, including coding, research, and problem-solving tasks. He also discusses challenges and consideration the challenges such as the need for patience in waiting for agents' responses, as well as importance of fast token generation for efficient iteration in agentic workflows. And yeah, that's it from this video. This is what the Andrew NG has said, and you can also check the video in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to check first link in the description.